Hey guys, you're watching my real life vlogs. It's your girl Vaughn, and the wind done blew my whole yard all over the place. It's real windy today. I don't know what's going on, but I'm gonna have to get back here and pick all this stuff up, y'all. Everything that I had in my yard is blown all over. It's crazy. I'm on my way out. I got on my coat, you know what I'm saying? I got my little ponytail. I put it back on again today. We're gonna wear it for a week. I'm about to leave and go pick up Ann, so I'm taking you guys along. Come on, let's go for a ride. Where's my bag? Because we have to talk about Vlogmas. We gotta talk about this. All right now, I cannot wait to show y'all my cleaned out garage. It's real good. Okay, oh no, the sun. The sun is doing too much. Hold up. How's that? So anyway, you guys, I'm headed to go pick up Ann. Did I already say that? Yeah, the sun is something else. But yeah, I'm headed to go pick up Ann. I need to get a car wash, but I think I'm gonna wait until I pick her up first so that she can experience the car wash, because she loves car washes, you guys. I just be going to that Delta Sonic and they do like the touchless. They have the lights and the brushes and all that stuff, so she really enjoys it. So that's why I opened up the moonroof thing up there so she could see it. But anywho, so yeah, Vlogmas, right? Having second thoughts about it. Can't lie, having second thoughts about participating this year. You guys know I love Vlogmas. It's my favorite. It's the most wonderful time of the year for vlogging. It's so much fun. You guys know I always have a blast. But I'm feeling kind of uninspired this year just because the pandemic is going to cause me to not be able to be around a lot of my family and friends the way I want to be. And that's gonna make Vlogmas suck a little bit, because I don't know, I don't think y'all want to just see me the entire month of December vlogging every single day. Like, I don't know. So it's kind of got me not really wanting to do it. I've had to cancel my Thanksgiving dinner plans. You know, I usually like to host and everything, so I had invited a small group of people over. Despite the pandemic, I was still gonna invite, like, you know, 3 people, and I ended up canceling even that because of everything that's going on the news. And, you know, Lori talking about 1 in 15 people have COVID and all that stuff. And, you know, I told my husband, I'm like, look, I'm just gonna cancel Thanksgiving. I still went grocery shopping for everything, so we're still gonna have our dinner, but it's just gonna be us. And you don't want to be petty, and you don't want to, you know, make it as though your holiday experience is more important than saving lives. So I'm in no way, you know, prioritizing that or even trying to rank it against that, because that's absolutely the most important thing, keeping people healthy, keeping people alive. But people still have, you know, emotions tied to holidays, and people still want to be around their families, and people still get depressed around this time of year if they're, you know, lonely or, you know, not experiencing the joys that they would expect from, you know, this holiday season. So it's rough, you guys. It's really rough. So I'm having second, third, and fourth thoughts about not even participating in Vlogmas this year. But you guys tell me what you think, or if you have any ideas of ways that I can still make Vlogmas interesting and entertaining for you guys, in the absence of how I normally share during that time. So yeah, anyway, I'm just gonna pick up Ann right quick, and then we're gonna run a couple of errands because I got some things I want to do, you know, keep myself busy. You know, I'm ready to start decorating my house for the holiday and all that stuff, even though nobody's really gonna see it. But you guys will see it, but you know, I won't really be able to enjoy it the way I want to, but it's okay. But yeah, so I'm just gonna run some errands with Ann. Ann, you gonna put on your mask? You gonna put on your mask, sweet girl? She had a great day at therapy today, and we're gonna go into Target. Let's go, mommy. A little bit of iPad, a little bit of wearing the mask like a big girl. Sometimes it's really tough for us to wear the mask in the store. So, she's getting a lot better though, but she won't let it go all the way up. But we take what we can get. Okay, so I'm getting pillows. These are buy one get one half off. And why'd you take your shoe off, hon? Give me this. Stop taking it off. Leave it on, okay? Velvet. Huh. Oh, this is cute, Anne. Oh, it's so cute. What do you think, Anne? What do you think? Stuff be cute, but the flocking, I don't want to clean it up. We don't need any more blankets, Anne. Got too many blankets. That's cute. Cute, 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 cute. Let me show y'all something real cute that I saw. Look at these cute little sets. Like if you want to do a headboard thing, you could put like this at the top, then you can put like these on your nightstand. Then it's got the garland. So cute. I would love this for Anne's room, but she's not gonna let it be great. With the glitter, she's not gonna let it be great, but I think that's a great idea and it's really affordable. So y'all can have fun with that. Are you having a good time, Anne? I give up on the shoes. Okay, let's see what else. Look, Anne. Is it cute? You like the reindeer? Okay, Mommy. For sure At Home has more stuff, so we're gonna go there. Good. Okay, let's go to At Home. All right, back home. Eating some food. Mom's here. Nachos and wine. Yep, that's my plate. Anthony got his nachos. Anthony, say what's up. And we're watching, is it Apple TV? Y'all know this the Versus with Gucci and Jeezy. Who y'all got? It's hard for me. Man, them my boys, but who y'all got?
Jeezy the one with that big old head, right?
Yeah. Somebody said Gucci had 77 mixtapes and 66 were trash.
Well, the dude on GCI said that.
Hey, if a homeboy come in with that hat and that shirt he had on his album cover, I'm gonna walk out.
What album cover?
On his new one that's coming out tomorrow.
Who?
It's Jimmy. He got a new album coming out tomorrow.
Oh, I didn't know that. They don't like what he has on the cover? No. Oh, they playing that King Vaughn. Could have been the way you throw a fit. It's a major lick. Ma, you heard about King Vaughn?
King Vaughn. King Vaughn.
King Vaughn. Lil Durk's artist. He got killed in Atlanta last week.
I did hear about a killing, but I ain't up to these.
Ma, it hurt my heart so bad. Yeah. Like, I'm grieving.
He's from Chicago, right? I heard about that, but I don't know.
He was up and coming, and his name was Vaughn.
Is that them?
Oh, there they go, baby. They came out. Look at these boys with these coats on, y'all. This about to be good. They just said R.I.P. King Vaughn. They kicking it off. I'm sure y'all are watching this. Y'all don't need my commentary, but I'm just saying. Get me another serving. I need some more wine. I gotta go back to Benny's. I'm all out. I have been a Jeezy fan since his first mixtape. And I probably have all of Gucci's mixtapes. Cause the years when these guys were popping, I was in college. Right? We were in college these years when these two guys were popping, so you know, we were pretty into this music, you know.
That's how I was into
I remember I bought my first car, my first brand new car when Thug Motivation came out. No, was it Thug 101? What was that Jeezy album that came out? That came out in 08? Thug Motivation, yeah. And I used to be riding around bumping it. You couldn't tell me nothing. Come on in.
Most of these rappers are compulsive liars. Niggas out there like soda machines. Jeezy keep it going like soda machines. You ain't never seen no pies of talking so much right.
It'll hurt your eyes. This man counted so much paper, it'll hurt your hand.
James said they gonna end up fighting.
You know this mommy's favorite type of music. You know it.
You ain't getting nothing, Grandma.
She got on her Squish Squad t-shirt, Play-Doh. Get your butt in. You guys see I twisted her hair? We've been doing twists for the week. We've been doing twists. Been really working out. They real frizzy, so we gotta do some more twists, some fresh twists on Saturday or Sunday. You gonna get your twist? Yeah? You see Grandma? Come on, Gucci.
He talking to him.
Gucci clean though.
Yeah.
He clean.
Can you put it up on your phone though? I want to see what they really look like. Oh.
They had so many diss songs against each other and. Baby. Mommy kiss. On these streets, blow on these beats.
They got their coat. They some of his coats.
No, Mom. Pound, oops, by the fifth. Re-up on the first, then again on the fifth. Yeah. We trap or die, nigga. We trap or die, nigga. That used to be my song right there. Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. Go get yourself cleaned up.
That's what happened when you ain't used to having one.
Got cheese dripping from his beard. Unbelievable. I've never seen it. I've never seen it. Eating the nachos, digging his face into the nachos. Cheese is dripping from the beard.
Something about what?
He's out of his business. Come on in.
Now Ian, get your grandma. Go in.
I wanted him to do something from that mixtape, the movie. What's it called, the movie? Me and Michi used to love some Gucci.
My dad protects me. My dad kisses me.
These are her favorite books. The one that said Mom loves me. And this one said Dad loves me. She loves these books. So it's bedtime. It's bedtime. And let me see. She got her weighted blanket right here. This blanket is heavy. How many pounds is this thing?
15.
15 pounds. And it's bedtime. It's bedtime, Mommy. It's bedtime, Ann. She's reading both books at the same time.
Your daddy kiss.
She already took her bath. We had dinner.
Trying to make the noise sounds that they make.
Anywho, the verses was really entertaining. I liked how they ended it, you know, with the So Icy performance. I like Jeezy's message. I like the shout out to King Vaughn. I was feeling it. Overall, it was very good, very good. I still think Snowman won. I think Jeezy won. But it was very, very good. Very, very good. So we're gonna go to bed. We're gonna go to bed now. Long day tomorrow. Lots of stuff to do. Want to do some more running around for, you know, Christmas shopping type stuff. And I also want to show y'all what I got from the store today. I didn't get a chance to do that tonight. I'll do it tomorrow. So this vlog ain't over. It's just the end of today. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Good morning. It's the next day. Anywho, just got back from dropping Ann off at therapy. And I wanted to show y'all what I got from the store yesterday. I wanted to show you guys the results of all those errands. So when I went to At Home, y'all, I saw that they had these miniature train sets, right? So I grabbed one. We used to have one of these years ago when we lived in our old condo, but then through the move, I don't know what happened to it. I think it got broken. So I've wanted to replace it, put it under the tree for Ann. So we're gonna do that. Hopefully it works. I'll show you guys what I got from Target in a moment, but this is the other thing I got from At Home. I kind of figured I wanted to decorate Ann's room a little bit. I kind of talked about it a little bit last year, how I wanted to start decorating the bedrooms a little bit more. Really, I was experimenting when I did our bedroom, and I was like, this is a good idea. It worked out well. So I'm gonna start spreading the love to the other bedroom. So our guest room is going to get decorated this year. I partnered with JCPenney on a bunch of like home decor stuff, so you guys will see that coming really soon. Really cute stuff. I'm gonna go with like a plaid kind of vibe and everything. So yeah, I'll be showing you guys that really, really soon. Anyway, I wanted to do a little something with Ann's room, not too much because I know she's just gonna tear everything up. So I got her this cute pillow that says Merry Christmas. It matches with her room aesthetic and everything. And then I got her this wreath I wanna put on her headboard, kind of like how we have in our room. I know I'm pushing it, listen, I know I'm pushing it, but we're gonna see how long it takes her to destroy this thing. But I really liked the look of this one. So freaking cute for a little girl's room. It's just so like delicate looking and rustic. It's got the gold balls and stuff, so I think she'll really like it. I'm just hoping she doesn't destroy it. And then I also got her this little globe thing that kind of projects, you know, Christmas images onto the walls. The only thing I don't like about it is that it's all red, and it kind of gives me Halloween vibes just because it's so red. I don't know, red lights don't give me Christmas. It gives me Halloween. But anyway, she was already playing with it all night, so it's up in her room already, but she really likes it. And then that's really it for her room. I'm not gonna do like a tree or anything because she's just gonna destroy it. Okay, and for the guest room, I got a nice little candle. This is a cashmere and cinnamon candle from Target. It was only $5. I had to get it. It smells like ginger snaps or gingerbread cookies or something. Really, really nice. And then I got this mug just because it was calling my name. It was like Vaughn. It just says, oh snap. And it's got the gingerbread guy on there. Let me see if it'll focus. Yeah. So cute. Got these king size pillows, this fake down, fold down material that they had on sale. Is buy one, get one half off. So I got these just to refresh the pillow game in that room, that guest room there. So it's gonna be super cozy and comfy even though no one's staying with us this year. Maybe my mom will get to benefit that room. Maybe she'll spend the night with us at some point through the season. But yeah, we're not expecting any guests whatsoever. No one's even invited. How about that? Just because of everything that's going on. It's just like people are really uneasy about being around folks. So still gonna decorate though. Still gotta get my feels, you know?